Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to enable the videos in Microsoft Edge to prompt you or ask you before you close it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on Microsoft Edge browser, and then dito lang sa upper right side and i-click mo lang to three dot icon, so click mo lang yan. And then next step, kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. So, i-click mo lang yan. So, dito sa settings and then next ay mag-scroll down na tayo at select mo lang dito yung accessibility. So, i-click mo lang to. Alright, so dito na siya. Okay, so kung paano ba natin enable yung ask before you closing multiple tabs in Microsoft Edge. So, dito sa pangalawa mga kaibigan na make Microsoft Edge easier to use. And then makita mo dito yung ask before closing a window with multiple tabs. Okay, so dito sa right side ay kailangan mo nang itanggal on and off itong kanyang button. So, click mo lang ganyan, ibig sabihin ay naka-enable na siya. So, kapag click mo ganito, and then naka-disable na siya. Alright? And then next dito naman sa kanyang get image descriptions from Microsoft for screen readers. So, pwede mo naman itong enable or disable siya. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple, wala ka ng ibang settings na gagawin dito kundi itoggle on and off or enable natin tong button niya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable ask before closing multiple tabs in Microsoft Edge. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.